Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is Chris O'Gene reporting once again from Fitzgerald Toyota in Gaithersburg, Maryland for the YouTube channel Chris Sells Cars. And I have one of the vehicles that people ask for a lot. This one is a brand new 2025 Toyota Sienna, the best minivan in the world. It is a hybrid, and this one is in the Ruby Flare Pearl, and this one is an XLE all-wheel drive. Again, this is the 2025 brand new off the truck Toyota Sienna minivan hybrid XLE all-wheel drive in the beautiful Ruby Flare color. This one has the bright alloy wheels right there, and then if you look at the front, you can see that beautiful shimmer on the Ruby Flare Pearl. This one has the stacked LED headlights, daytime running lights, and it does have the LED fog lights as well. And on the front, you can see the front parking sensors on the front that aid in the automatic braking of the vehicle. There's a radar right behind this logo that co-witnesses with a tiny camera at the top of the windscreen to form your lane tracing assist function. Again, you can see those LED fog lights right there and the LED headlights as well. It has a beautiful air deflector on the front. It's very nice, cuts through the air, aids in the aerodynamics of the vehicle when you're traveling, especially. Come over here, rain sensing wipers. It does have the extra visibility panel on the side there. It has the blind spot monitor in the heated mirrors, so it has the blind spot monitor there. It has a chrome finish on the handles, and it has the dimple here for your remote access function, the keyless remote entry function right there. Come here on the inside. This vehicle has the power chair with the lumbar support. Beautiful gray Softex leather, heated leather, Softex leather. You see the moonroof right there. And then inside the vehicle, there are all weather mats throughout the vehicle. I really do like that. It has the automatic high beams as well. Right here on the inside, you can see the 12.3-inch touchscreen LCD screen. It does have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It does have your backup camera right there, which is really, really clear, very bright. I do like that as well. This vehicle also comes with the auto dimming rear view mirror with the 3-car garage transponder, which is really, really cool as well. If you have a garage, you can program that there. It has the SOS button for your connected services. The vehicle can remote start, and it also controls your connected services like Remote Connect, Safety Connect, etc. And then it has the heated seats. Look at that. All right. So it has the heated seats for the front 2 passengers, wireless Qi charger to wirelessly charge your phone, and then it has your different driving modes: normal, eco, and sport. Now here you have a beautiful 10-inch cluster right there. It's not all digital, some of it is analog. I really do like that. It includes a multi-informational display in the middle there. You have your lane departure alert and all of that. I'm going to turn around so that you can see in the back. It has the captain's chairs in the back right there. So this is a 7-seater. Very, very beautiful, lots of space. I'll go to the back so you can see what's in the back as well. And this one has the kick sensor. All right, so you can kick and it'll open the door right there. All right, look at that wonderful seating. All right, there's 3 people in the back, 2 in the middle. So this vehicle seats 7. Again, you see that all-weather mats throughout the vehicle. You have a grounded outlet here for your accessories and your power devices, USB-C chargers, and then you have magazine pockets in the back as well. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and use that kick sensor again, and it's going to close the door as well. And then you come to the back here, and in the back here you have the windshield wiper for the back as well. You can see the Sienna badging right here. HEV, all-wheel drive, hybrid electric vehicle, all-wheel drive. And this is the XLE trim. You have the parking sensors in the back there to aid in the automatic braking as well. It does have automatic braking. One touch open and close in the back there. And then you can see the space in the back. I'm going to put this seat up just so that you can see the third row. And that's your third row right there. All right, with the third row up, you're going to have a lot of cargo space inside here. It's a very, very lovely vehicle. All right, and if you'd like this in your driveway, you definitely want to call Chris O'Gene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. Again, this is the 2025 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive hybrid minivan in Ruby Flare Pearl. Call Chris O'Gene at 202-607-9517. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.